Hi guys, welcome back to Best Product. If you are searching for the best hydroponics growing system to grow fresh herbs and greens right inside your home, you are in the right place. Indoor gardening has never been easier, and today we are looking at a smart system that makes the whole process simple and fun. Let's get started. The Home Leafy Hydroponics Growing System is designed to change the way you grow plants indoors. It features an 8-pod setup that lets you grow herbs, vegetables, and leafy greens without using soil. That means no messy dirt, fewer pests, and no stress about overwatering. Everything is controlled in a clean and organized way. One of the biggest highlights of the Home Leafy Hydroponics Growing System is its smart app control. With the app, you can adjust plant growth plans, receive reminders to add water or nutrients, and monitor your garden from your phone. This makes it easy to stay on track even if you have a busy schedule. You can also switch between growth modes, adjust pump settings, and fine-tune light schedules directly from the app. Lighting plays a huge role in plant growth, and this system uses a scientifically designed light panel. It combines 3 precise wavelengths with infrared LEDs to mimic natural sunlight. This optimized lighting helps plants grow up to 3 times faster compared to traditional methods. You can also customize the light intensity and schedule to match different growth stages. The Home Leafy Hydroponics Growing System is beginner-friendly. The kit includes grow sponges, brackets, germination domes, stickers, and tweezers. Step-by-step instructions are provided, so even if you have never grown plants before, you can start with confidence. The setup process is simple and straightforward. In terms of design, the Home Leafy Hydroponics Growing System features a sleek food-grade stainless steel body. This keeps your plants safe and ensures easy cleaning. The compact size fits nicely in kitchens or living spaces, and it adds a modern touch to your home. Overall, the Home Leafy Hydroponics Growing System combines smart technology, efficient lighting, easy setup, and elegant design in one compact unit. It brings fresh ingredients and greenery into your daily life without the usual gardening challenges. Fresh herbs made simple. Check the price link in the description to learn more. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Best Product for more helpful product videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.